All right, seventh graders, this is place value and estimation. It is an aspire to do. You will need to follow the directions on the paper that it's given. I recommend that you do all of the work before filling out the bottom boxes. If your answer does not sound right or you don't find the answer in the bottom, rework the problem. Use your resources, anything else that you need to get this done. This is called Math with Pizzazz. And at the top it says, do each exercise, find your answer in the set of answers to the right, write that answer in the box containing the number of the exercise. I will show you guys some examples and then you'll work the rest on your own. So it says, a blue whale weighed more than 294,350 pounds. Give the digit each place named. So in the tens place, what digit is in the tens place? When you look, that is a 5. It says what is in the hundreds place? That is a 3. What is in the thousands place? That is a 4. What is in the 10,000s place? That is a 9. Now, I would go through and work all of the exercises all the way down, writing your answers off to the side. Then what you do is you come back up, and in box number 1, your answer was 5. You look over here and you find that a 5 was a W. You come down here and you write a W. Box number 2 was a 3, and 3 was an H. So you come down here, I'm going to make that, and write an H. Box 3 was a 4, and number 4 is an E. And in box 4, it's a 9. 9 is an N. So you notice that down below we have the word when. You're going to answer the question, when is a lady not a lady? So you'll finish up the problems in the top, fill out the bottom. Your part down here needs to make sense in answering when a lady is not a lady. All right. On this page, why did the spy get caught when he sneezed? Do each exercise and find your answer in the columns. Write the letter of the answer in the box containing the number. Now, on this lesson here, all of the answers and questions are over here. These all are over here. So you will do what it says. On the top part, it says, give the place value of each underlined digit. And number 1, it is the hundreds, which is the letter E. Number 2 is the hundreds, thousands, millions. It is 50. It's in the hundreds, thousands, millions. It is in the 10 millions spot. So that is an O. And you just keep going through. Now, this time down here, the boxes are not in order. So you find the number and you put the answer down there. So number 1, we answered an E. So you put a E here. And number 2, we answered an O. So here is O. And you'll continue on finishing this side. And then over here, you're writing the number in standard form. I recommend over here of writing it out. Now, you have to be careful. Remember, you've got the hundreds, thousands, millions, billions. So you have 5,724,263,810. So I wrote the number out. Then I come down here and I find that answer, and you have to be careful and you look for the answer and you've got, oh, I made a mistake, guys. So up here, this should have been 266,000. So notice I had made a mistake. I didn't find my answer down here. I went back and fixed it. So in box 14, it should be letter H. So I find 14 and I write an H. You'll continue on with this one, and make sure your answer down here will answer the question from the top. All right, on here, you guys are going to be doing estimation and finding either the sum or the difference. Circle the letter of the better choice. Write the letter in the box containing the number in the exercise. So if you look at problem number 1, it says 83 plus 39. Now, if I was to estimate or round, I would say that that is like saying 80 plus 40. And when I add those together, it comes to be about 120. So I come down to the bottom and I find box number 1 and I write an E. Problem number 2, 34 plus 57. That's like saying 30 plus 60, which is about 90. So I come down for box 2, I write the letter I. Now, I would go through and do the problems. You can I would do all your problems. If you don't find an answer and it doesn't make sense down here, go up and check your estimation. You may have just done it a little bit differently than what they would have done, but they need to make sense. Now, when you get this done, remember to submit to me through Canvas. Have fun and enjoy.